everyone, welcome to Hot Step Recipe. My dish today, again I like to share a healthy dish and a light meal. Last video I showed you how to cook stir fry mixed vegetable with shrimp, or we call ผัดผักรวมมิตร. In this video I'm going to show you how to cook fruit salad with salmon. Let's get started. First, we're gonna mix tamarind juice. Soak tamarind with warm water or hot water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're gonna squeeze tamarind in the water and then strain it. Next step, we're gonna cook our dressing. Turn on the heat to medium temperature. Add sugar. Add fish sauce. Add salt. And add brown sugar. Then leave it cooking for 30 to 40 minutes. Next step, we're gonna prepare fruit. You can have whatever kind of fruit would you like. We don't need the pineapple core, so this is the way I cut it out. Okay, we're gonna prepare apple. This is the way I prepare apple. Add a little salt in water and soak apple in. I soak the apple in the salt water to keep it looking fresh. I got pomelo. If you don't like it, you don't need to put it in. You might think it's a lot of work to do. Yes, it is. Take a lot more time. Now I'm gonna powder chili to add it in the dressing. If you can't eat spicy at all, you don't need to put it in. I will add chili when I have 10 minutes of cooking time left. Put chili in dressing. Continue cooking until dressing get a little thickened. And I want everything mixing well together so your dressing would be taste so good. After 40 minutes, our dressing gonna get thickened like this. So we finish cooking dressing. Turn the heat off and leave it cool. Next step, prepare salmon to frying. Coat salmon with cornstarch. Heat the wok and add cooking oil. When cooking oil gets hot, add salmon one by one. Continue frying until they are golden brown. See, look at them. Looks so good. Now we're gonna prepare dressing to mixing in our salad. I got a small bowl and put dressing in. We're gonna remove apple from water. And then I got a big bowl and we're gonna add everything mixing together. Place salad onto a plate. Place salmon on top of the salad. Wow, look at that. I add more dressing on top of the salmon. So everything done, time to taste it. Alright everyone, time to taste it. Okay everyone, it tastes good. It tastes sweet, sour, salty, and a little bit spicy. If you can't eat spicy, don't worry about that. It's just a little spicy. This dish is very easy to cook. You just take a little bit more time to cook your dressing. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to notification. If you have anything to comment, please feel free to make a comment below this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.